Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Over the Seas. This is Philippines vlog part 4. It is just 3 am in the morning and we are already on our way to Oslob. Our first activity today is swimming with the whale sharks. It took about 2 hours to reach here. This is one of the most popular tourist attraction in Philippines. Every foreigner who comes here definitely visits Oslob for this activity particularly. The local fishermen actually feed the whales during the early hours of the day. That's how you can spot and swim with them. If you come during 10 am or later in the day, you cannot spot any of the whales. So that's why it's preferable to go in the morning and then enjoy the activity. They provide us life jackets and the snorkeling glasses by default, and if we want GoPro or something we can rent it. It would cost us 500 pesos more. The guide told us to hold the bamboos, so we were not able to feel comfortable in the water initially. We waited for a few minutes before we could finally spot a whale. Did you spot it? Top view was fine, but when we looked underneath then we could see how huge it is. We are so scared right now, its tail could literally hit us. See how it sucks all the water inside, feels like it will suck us in. Even though it was so scary in the beginning, we could finally enjoy the experience. If you are wondering whether it is safe to swim together with the whale sharks or watch the whale sharks from so near, rest assured it is very safe. Just that maintain a little distance from them, don't kick or touch them, that is about it. Also, these local fishermen have been feeding them from many years. When they see the boat or humans, they think that okay, food is coming, so that's how they perceive it. It's just 7 in the morning and we already finished swimming with the whales. Long way to go. We are going to Sumilon right now. We are on the way. It will take about 15 minutes to reach the Sumilon port, from where we have to take the boat. We can take any boat from here, but we have to make sure that while coming back we take the same boat again. Getting on the boat itself is a task. It will take about 10 minutes to reach there and we can already see the island from here. The land you see is the island, Sumilon Island. And we reached. This island is very popular for the sandbar, which varies in size and shape according to the season and time of the day, it seems. There are only 3 places on the Sumilon Island, which are Sandbar, Island Resort and Lighthouse. Since the resort is a private property, we wouldn't be able to enter it without booking a room over there, which would cost around 3,000 pesos to 6,000 pesos. But the view over here is so good that we forgot about the resort. This is like the natural infinity pool. We are at Sumilon Island right now. This is the second spot. There is no fixed time because there are boats always running around here. We came by orange boat, so we have to go back by the orange boat as well. The water is so clear and the weather is perfect for a swim, right? If you haven't watched Philippines vlog part 3, do watch it now. We are also giving the link in the description box below. Do check it out. To swim in a pool which has no visual boundaries is such a great experience, right? Floating on the water is my kind of meditation. What is yours? Do let us know in the comments below. Time to leave this amazing place to explore more places. When you are going to Sumilon Island, make sure that you carry less luggage because it's more convenient that way. Beef and pork.
You're from India, right?
Yeah. How many people eat this?
Sometimes India is not eating pork or
No.
because he is called halal.
Halal.
This bowl can be eaten by 10 to 15 people minimum. We were so hungry, so we ordered vegetable chopsy and scrambled egg with some rice. If you are a vegetarian and you are visiting Philippines, vegetable chopsy is definitely your go-to. It's very yummy. We are on our way to Tumalog Falls, which is our third location today. It will just take about 15 minutes to arrive there. Almost reached, but since the roads are very steep to go to the Tumalog Falls, we are searching for a bike. Each biker is assigned with a number, so after we finished visiting Tumalog Falls, we can just tell them to call this number and they'll call the biker. We are at Tumalog Falls. This is near Oslob. Many people say that they love Kawasan Falls, but we were not quite impressed by it. We think that Tumalog Falls is much better than Kawasan Falls. The water here is extremely cold. Tumalog Falls actually feels much better to us, maybe because of the height from where the water is falling down. The water here isn't deep, so you can easily get into the water. We are at the fourth location in Oslob. This is Osmena Peak, and we have to do a bit of trekking to reach the peak. It would take about 45 minutes to 1 hour to reach the peak. And we were finally able to fly our drone. If you are planning to buy a drone, do consider DJI Mini 3 Pro. Do find the link in the description box below. We wanted to shoot a little bit more with our drone, but since it started raining, we had to stop. We just finished our Oslob trip. We have covered 4 places today. We still have to figure out what we are doing tomorrow. We want to see turtles and sardines, do snorkeling, but we are not sure yet because we didn't confirm anything yet. But tomorrow is the last day here in Moalboal. We want to do something. We don't want to waste, and also we are going back to Cebu tomorrow. To conclude the trip to Oslob, it was very good. It's a long drive from here. It took about 2 hours and something to Oslob whales watching, and I think it was a very good experience, but it was a little scary because we were just holding on to the bamboos. If we didn't hold on to the bamboos, then it would have been great because we had a life vest on, nothing would happen, and also the whales are really harmless, so they don't harm any of the onlookers or audience over there. Everything was very nice. We really loved the Tumalog Falls. It was very good, but it was also cold over there, so we came back soon. And also the Sumilon Island was very good because it was nature's swimming pool, and there are no high tide or waves over there, so it's really very good, like you see in the movies and all the infinity pools, right? It is exactly like that, but it is natural. And also the last Osmena Peak was great. It was very big hike actually. It took about like 30 or 40 minutes, more than that maybe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. We are actually putting in a lot of time and effort to make these videos for you guys. Do show us some love. Please do subscribe, and please don't forget to like, share and comment.